Figured I'd make this quick video, maybe to help somebody out. Got this 2018, matter of fact this is 2016, but from 2016, 2018, and I think all the way down to 2012, somewhere in that neighborhood. I don't know, you could do your research on that. The doors, the power sliding doors, going down the highway, 60 mile an hour, kids in the vehicle, been in the vehicle 20-30 minutes, starts this beep, a constant beep, not a intermittent beep, constant beep, letting you know that the one of the passenger rear sliding doors is open. So the only way you can turn the beep off is first thing you want to look at in your door jamb. Okay, this is the passenger side. I'm going to the door jamb. This thing right here, this is the sensor that lets it know that the door is shut all the way. Check that. It's one bolt. You can take that out. It's got one little plug behind it. It looks like this when you pull it out. Check it, make sure everything's good. You can clean it up, make sure it's working. You can actually take a voltmeter and check it for what it does is when that is shut, it just basically grounds out in this metal frame. So it shuts that circuit out, lets it know, okay, yeah, it's shut. This lock right here is what grabs and locks. One of these two are probably going to be your issues. As long as that door is sliding on its own when you hit the button and it seems like it's pulling, one of these two is going to be your issue. Either this switch is out, or where it locks right here on the back side of the door, it could be full of crud, not letting it function right. And I'm going to show you what that looks like. So we're over here on the driver's side. So look at this one. See how full of gunk and grease and dirt. So this is probably some of the culprit. When it's going in there, it's not getting a good grab. It's not actually rolling all the way up to lock it. So what you do is you take you some cleaner, you spray that sucker out, you take you some silicone lubricant, and spray it all up in there and clean it up. Clean it, spray it all up. I didn't really clean this one this good because this one wasn't giving us the problem. It was the other side, but I went ahead and did this one anyway. But yeah, I'm about to put this one back in. I checked it, it's good to go. It is a little sticky, but you can order these on Amazon for super cheap, or you can hotwire it if you want. I'm not going to show you how to do that, but clean that. Check your sensor, put it back in there. I clean these. I spray lubricant in this track and this little cable. Come down here, clean your track out real good and spray it down. You get a lot of crud in here. That'll stop it. And then this top, I spray that with lubricant. You can grease or spray this track real good, but clean it all up. You'd be surprised at the amount of buildup and junk that gets in there. I mean, you can see the junk and just over years of use. So, but yeah, hopefully it helps. Like I said, this is out of the realm of what I normally show on this channel. I'm normally working on boats or whatever, but like I said before, I'm a DIY guy, so if it's mine and I own it, I'm working on it, not sending it to the shop. Especially, you know, if this little sensor's out or that little thing is full of crap, you know how much they're going to charge me to fix something that's going to take me literally 10 minutes on a Sunday to do? I mean, you know, it's a no-brainer. But anyway, if you like this video, thumbs it up.